All right, we are heading up. Wait, what show we going to?
Cars and
Culture.
Cars and Culture.
Yeah, so we're going to be pulling up in my brother's Castrol Supra. If you guys are in the Chicagoland area, I'm sure you guys seen this. Oh, yes. A Castrol tribute inspired theme. It's got the 2JZ in it. Everybody asks. It does have a 2JZ in it. 6-speed. But look at this, guys. Got a little spaceship thing going on. This is cool. I love this thing. They even signed, autographed. Check that out, guys. Triple disc plate clutch, guys. Hey, it's even got reverse lights in there. One-off tail lights. Barely fits in the garage. Where do I sit? Yeah. It feels cool. If you guys never sat in a right-hand drive car, oh man. You actually got speakers in this thing?
Yeah. I upgraded this.
Does a real Castrol Supra have speakers?
This is a real.
Oh, check out those speakers. Oh, this is real? Yeah, it sounds nice. I gotta say, this car is really cool. Really fun to sit in. It's exciting. He's not flooring it though. He's following the rules here.
Yeah.
Yep. So sorry guys, no drive-bys with this thing on this video. The lady next to me was just staring me down. I think she thinks I'm driving. She thinks I'm recording while driving.
Thank you.
In a situation like this, you don't want to pop the clutch, right?
No.
Okay, we left. Only stayed there for about an hour.
It is cold.
Yeah, it's freezing out here. So, time to get something to eat.